In this video, I will show you how to convert images to multiple types of vector art in Affinity Photo. To know the complete process step by step, please watch this video till the end. Hello, and welcome to the Affinity Vibes YouTube channel. Before we begin, if you want to get notified whenever I release a new Affinity Photo effect tutorial video, click the subscribe button. If you like my work, please hit like, share this video, and leave a useful comment. It helps me to motivate myself and produce more videos like this for you all. First, select your image and separate the image from the background. I hope you know these processes to remove the background or separate the image from the background. Like this. Press Q, or go to the above and click here to toggle the quick mask to check your selection. If everything is fine, then go to Refine. Now keep this as a default setting and clear up the image with the harsh part left. Like this. After that, make the output as a mask and click Apply. Now artwork number 1. Now go to Adjustment. Threshold. The threshold range may differ from image to image, so feel free to play with the range and get the best fit for you. I am keeping here 40%. Now artwork number 2. After that, create a new background with the rectangle tool. Go to Layer Effect, Color Overlay, and here, select your preferred color. Now tricky part. Here, you can check the blending modes one by one, and you will get various types of effects. Here I am using a screen, maybe you can prefer some others. Screen blending mode will give the darker part a color. Change the background color to any other color. Now artwork number 3. Again, go back to only the threshold effect. Now, from here, change the background color to any other color. Artwork number 4. From here, change blending modes to multiply. Like this, keep experimenting with blending modes, and you will get a variety of styles. Add grunge texture in the background and change blending modes. You will get another style. Like this, keep experimenting with blending modes, color, and adding extra texture, and every time you will get various vector art. And that's it. If you found this video useful, remember to like it, share this video, and please leave your useful comment. Also, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification to receive updates on my brand new video. Thank you so much for your support. See you again.